Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to view passkeys on Bitwarden in just a few quick steps. First, open your Bitwarden vault. This works the same whether you're using the web vault, browser, extension, desktop app, or mobile app. Just open whichever one you prefer. Once you're in, you'll see your vault items list showing all your saved logins, cards, and other entries. Next, locate the login item that contains the passkey you want to view. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to find it. Right now, Bitwarden doesn't have a built-in filter specifically for passkeys, so if you have a lot of items saved, you'll need to browse through them or search by the site name. Some users work around this by adding the word passkey to the item name when they first create it, which makes it much easier to spot later if you need to check which accounts have passkeys stored. Once you've found the login item, click or tap on it to open the detail view. The item will expand and show all the information stored inside your username, password, and any other fields you've saved. Now, scroll down through the item details until you find the passkey field. This is where Bitwarden confirms a passkey is stored for this login. You'll see the date and time that the passkey was created displayed in this field. That timestamp is how you know the passkey exists on this item. Bitwarden doesn't display the passkey itself as a readable string, just the creation date to confirm it's there. A few quick things to know. Each login item can only store one passkey, so you won't see multiple passkeys listed here. If you need to use this passkey, just head to the website and start the login process. Bitwarden will automatically detect the passkey and offer to use it for you. If you've enabled master password reprompt on the login item, you'll need to enter your master password again before you can access the passkey details. And if you ever need to delete or change a passkey, you can do that from the edit screen on the web app, browser extension, or desktop app. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.